Hey, what's up? Brent from Brentspeed. Thanks for watching Brentspeed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on this 2020 GT500 laying down over 1,000 rural horsepower. Of course, we're going to tell you how we got there. Hey, if you haven't subscribed and notified, stay up to date. Have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, to start off, this is an E85 car. We're going to use that to get over 1,000. Doug, come down here, take a look. How do we get there? What's our recipe to do this? Well, we have a ported lid, and look, this client had this with the American flag on it. Looks awesome. Then we sent it out locally to have it hydro dip carbon fiber. Love the look. We use a VMP throttle body, JLT air intake system, set of Kooks long tubes. We need a fuel system. So we're using ID 1300 injectors, 4 triple pump fuel system. I'll put links to these parts in the description if you have more questions. Then 2.4 supercharger pulley, coming in approximately 20 pounds of boost. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. Dynojet SAE smoothing 5, 1,063 rural horsepower, 8,000 RPM. Torque comes in 762 at 5,500. Awesome curve across the board. Sick power. And again, that's E85. We have packages like this on 93. You're not going to run a 2.4 pulley. You're going to run less boost than that. But if you're looking for 8, maybe 900 rural horsepower, that's possible. But there it is. Awesome 2020 GT500. We do a lot of these at right around 1,000, a little bit more, and that's the setup to get there right there. And then we have other packages that go higher than that, but this is definitely the most popular. Have any questions, leave a comment. We're located in Indiana, and you can email quote@brentspeed.com and say, hey, what's it cost to get installed? Thanks for watching.